LASE Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 4-minute video till the end, find out. Laser Photonics Corporation, it's $3.20. Honestly, it's decent movement up, right? And have a lot of that's not so decent, but I am not gonna count this as like a proper shift, although I did see this, you know, this is a very good step towards that bullish side. And since it's pumping, I'm opening myself up to this bullish idea, but not like long term, like short term. If there is no shift, then I'm obviously not gonna buy. Boom, here's my confirmation. You know, all I'm doing in the meantime is just I'm waiting for rules. And if rules are not met, then I'm obviously not gonna buy. And with LASE, I have not much here, but yeah, briefly over here, just I want to see my rules met, and if that's not the case, then I'm not buying. Very simple. Why rules though? Why are they so important? Well, maybe because I've refined them over 5 years, over 43,000 videos in trial and error. And look, I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on my personal money on mentors and courses. So let me know what is your opinion. I'll keep you updated. Now, if you want courses, Discord access, community, and all that jazz, absolutely risk-free, click the first link in the description. 1,200 people got enrolled.